In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best tile saws available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the tile saws mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, PATUOPRO 6-inch Brushless Circular Saw. The PATUOPRO 6-inch Brushless Circular Saw is a powerful and compact tool designed for cutting wood, metal, and ceramic tiles. It operates on a Makita 18V battery, ensuring cordless convenience and strong performance. The ergonomic design enhances control, while the durable blade delivers precise cuts. Ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, this saw is a reliable choice for various cutting tasks. With its 50% discount, it's an excellent deal for power tool users. Number 4, WORKPRO 20V Mini Circular Saw with Laser. The WORKPRO 20V Mini Circular Saw is a must-have for woodworking and DIY projects. Its built-in laser guide ensures precise cuts, while the powerful battery provides up to 30 minutes of continuous operation. The durable PA6 GF30 TPE casing ensures long-lasting use, and the 115mm diamond dry disc allows for smooth marble and stone cutting. This versatile tool is perfect for professionals and hobbyists seeking accuracy and efficiency in their projects. Number 3, Mini Electric Cutting Machine. This multifunctional mini electric cutting machine is a compact and efficient tool for woodworking and home improvement projects. Designed for cutting wood, tiles, stone, and marble, it features a powerful motor that delivers precise slotting and cutting performance. The lightweight design ensures easy handling, making it ideal for DIY users and professionals. Whether you're working on household renovations or small crafts, this electric saw provides accuracy, convenience, and affordability with its impressive 55% discount. Number 2, High-Power Electric Tile Cutting Notching Machine, perfect for home DIY tile projects. This high-power electric tile cutting and notching machine offers superior precision and stability. The table saw design ensures control, while the 100mm saw blade allows for wide cuts. With a maximum cutting depth of 20mm, it easily handles thick tiles. Its 10mm blade aperture ensures accurate notching, making it a reliable tool for home renovations. Get professional level tile cutting with this durable and efficient machine at a great price. Number 1, Bosch GDC 140 Cutting Machine. The Bosch GDC 140 is a high-performance 1400W cutting machine designed for wood, marble, and stone. Featuring a 115mm diamond blade, it ensures smooth and efficient cutting for professional and home projects. Its ergonomic design enhances handling, while the powerful motor delivers precise slotting and cutting. Built for durability, this machine is a trusted choice for construction and renovation work. Whether for professionals or DIYers, the Bosch GDC 140 offers reliability and efficiency at an unbeatable price.